Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a everyday makeup look, but specifically this video is supposed to help people on how to do eyeliner and eyeshadow, or how to clean eyeshadow when you have eyelash extensions, because I know that whenever I got eyelash extensions for the first time, I could not find that information anywhere. So I figured I might as well do it and help out some people. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Thumbs up the video, subscribe to my channel, and enjoy the video. Okay, so I'm starting with my hair up, obviously, as you can see. Then I take some witch hazel on a cotton pad and cleanse my skin. This is like the most uncomfortable position for me to do my makeup, but it's gonna happen because this lighting's here. Next thing is eye cream. This one is specifically from Pharmacy, and I'm just gonna put it mostly under my eye, and then with the leftovers I go around. Then it's time for primer. So I'm mixing both of the primers so you can see, and then I'm taking the Age Rewind Under Eye Dark Circle Concealer because I have really bad dark circles, and you'll be able to tell in a bit that I'm using two concealers today. Yes, that is my everyday look, but I'm also mixing 3 foundation shades together because my skin color changes so often in the summer, and I mixed it with the MAC Strobe Cream just for some extra dewiness because my skin is dry. Next up, I'm going with the ColourPop concealer, which I'm basically out of. I was surprised with how good it is, so I'm definitely going to be purchasing some more, but I'm trying to get whatever I can out of it and finish it and blend it into my skin. Then today I decided I wanted to be extra bronzy, so I took some liquid bronzer and made sure I blended in really well. After that, I also took a little break from my skin and put some lip balm on just so I can moisturize as I'm going. But then I decided to take my other bronzer. Usually I powder before, but today I just wanted to go wild. And I started bronzing. Then I took some banana powder and put it under my eyes. But I realized that color looked really good on me with the foundation. So I just used the banana powder all over instead of just under my eyes. I got this super cute duo from Pacifica on my Ipsy, and today was actually the first time I've been using it, but it's really cute. Quick tip, if you're using a really sharp contouring brush, make sure you set the area before with powder or bronzer or whatever it is you're using, because you do not want to see what happens if you don't set before. Then I decided to give the blush and the set a try, and I actually ended up really liking it. You know what time it is, highlighter time. I honestly don't remember which highlighter this is. I got it on my last Ipsy, and I just tried it like 2 days ago, and I've actually really been liking it. So yeah, I will check and let you guys know later on. Be right back. Right, I just filled them in. After doing my eyebrows real quick, I take my Jaclyn Hill palette, which I love, and I'm just using a neutral shade in the crease. Like, look at how much of a difference that makes, and that's not even fully blended. It just gives you more definition. Like, even if you're not planning on wearing any eyeshadow at all, do that. Like, you got it. Also, I take that exact same shade and put it under. And then I blend some more. After that, I take the shade Nylon from MAC and put it in my inner corners. This thing is pigmented, so watch out. And then I take this kind of like holographic eyeshadow and I put it in the inner corners.
Okay, so the eyelash trick is to wet your brush just a little bit and then just kind of comb through. And that will remove all the residue. Wet it just a little bit, like don't do too much. You don't want to wet it too much. So that's how you clean them. Now I know probably like 90% of the people that have eyelash extensions avoid doing eyeliner because they don't know how to do it around the eyelash extensions. So I'm gonna teach you. You're welcome. Liquid liner is always your best friend. Keep that in mind. Half of my bronzer is on the floor right now. I'm dying. I basically just gonna go with like a tilt and I'm just gonna build into it. Also, because eyelash extensions kind of already give you that line, you really don't need to go all the way in, which also makes it easier to clean up, so I don't. Okay, eyeliner is done.
Lower lash mascara is so important. I don't think you understand.
So I'm gonna go do my hair, change, and then I'll show you guys the final look. So this is the final look. Also, I just want to show you guys my outfit because why not?